Welcome to Morelos, Mexico, a land where towering volcanoes cast their gaze over verdant valleys and ancient forests resonate with the echoes of past civilizations. From the cool, pine-scented slopes of its mountain ranges to the sun-drenched fields where vibrant blossoms attract a kaleidoscope of hummingbirds, Morelos offers sanctuary to a remarkable array of life. So come along, let us slip quietly into this vibrant world and together discover the treasures that await in the heart of Mexico. Our journey begins in Cocoyoc, a town nestled amidst the fertile valleys of Morelos. Here, time seems to move at a slower pace, the air heavy with the sweet scent of citrus blossoms. Vast groves of orange and lime trees paint the landscape in vibrant hues, their branches heavy with fruit glistening under the Mexican sun. The legacy of its colonial past is evident in the elegant architecture, the sun-bleached stonework of grand haciendas, and the intricate carvings that adorn ancient churches. Wander through the cobblestone streets and you'll find yourself enveloped by a profusion of bougainvillea, their vibrant blooms cascading over walls like waterfalls of color. Look closer and you'll discover a hidden world of delicate ferns unfurling in the shade of ancient arches and bright blossoms attracting a myriad of buzzing insects. Cocoyoc is a testament to the harmonious balance between humanity and nature, a place where the echoes of the past resonate in the rustling leaves and the murmuring of the wind through the citrus groves. We venture now to the heart of Morelos, where the majestic Teposteco Hill dominates the skyline, its rugged slopes cloaked in emerald forests. This is Tepoztlan, a town steeped in legend, its history entwined with the very mountain that watches over it. As we ascend the slopes, the air grows cooler, the sounds of civilization fading behind the whisper of the wind through the trees. The path winds upward, dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy overhead. Towering trees, their trunks draped in moss and lichen, stand as silent sentinels, their branches reaching towards the sky like ancient arms. A flash of iridescent blue catches the eye. A turquoise-browed motmot perched on a branch, its long tail feathers swaying gently. High above, a hawk circles effortlessly, its keen eyes scanning the forest floor below. Finally, we emerge from the forest onto the summit of Teposteco Hill. Here, perched on the edge of a precipice, stand the ruins of a temple dedicated to Tepoztecatl, the Aztec god of pulque. Our journey takes us now to a sanctuary where the air hums with a symphony of tiny wings, the Jardins de Mexico, home to the enchanting Parque de los Colibríes. Here, amidst a riot of colorful blossoms, we enter a world of delicate beauty and breathtaking aerial acrobatics. The air thrums with the beating of iridescent wings as hummingbirds, those masters of the air, dart and dance from blossom to blossom. Their tiny bodies, shimmering with an almost magical iridescence, seem to defy gravity as they hover, suspended in mid-air, their long, delicate beaks probing the depths of each flower. A flash of emerald green, a ruby-red throat glowing like a burning ember. Each species possesses its own unique beauty, a testament to the artistry of nature. The air buzzes with their energy, their high-pitched chirps and trills, creating a mesmerizing melody that blends with the rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of the fountain. This is a place of pure sensory delight, where one can lose themselves in the intricate dance of life and the intoxicating fragrance of 1,000 blossoms. We journey now to a place where time seems to slow, and a sense of tranquility washes over the soul, the Lagunas de Zempoala National Park. Here, amidst a landscape of towering pines and tranquil waters, we discover a haven for both wildlife and those seeking respite from the bustle of everyday life. Imagine standing on the shore of a still lake, its surface a perfect mirror, reflecting the azure sky above. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the scent of pine needles and damp earth, a welcome respite from the Mexican sun. As we venture deeper into the park, the sounds of civilization fade away, replaced by the gentle whisper of the wind through the trees and the melodic calls of unseen birds. The path winds through dense forests of pine and oak, their branches forming a verdant canopy overhead. Here and there, shafts of sunlight illuminate a carpet of pine needles, interspersed with delicate wildflowers and the occasional cluster of vibrant mushrooms. Overhead, a flock of band-tailed pigeons takes flight, their wings beating the air with a soft, whooshing sound. We find ourselves drawn once more to the slopes of Tepozteco, this time venturing into the heart of El Teposteco National Park. Here, amidst a landscape shaped by volcanic forces, we discover a world teeming with life, a testament to nature's resilience and the remarkable biodiversity of Morelos. As we ascend the slopes, the vegetation changes dramatically, transitioning from the dense forests of the lower slopes to a more rugged terrain of scrubland and cacti. Look closely and you'll discover a surprising array of plant life. Prickly pear cacti, their flat pads adorned with vibrant flowers, agave plants reaching towards the sky like giant artichokes, and a multitude of other species, each adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. High above, a golden eagle soars effortlessly on the thermals, its keen eyes scanning the landscape below for prey. A rustle in the undergrowth reveals a family of collared peccaries, their sharp hooves clicking against the rocks as they forage for roots and insects. And, if we are very lucky, we might catch a glimpse of the elusive puma, the apex predator of this ecosystem. Prepare to descend with me now into the depths of the earth, into a subterranean world of darkness and silence, where time seems to stand still, the Grutas de Cacahuamilpa National Park. Here, within the heart of the mountains, lies a hidden realm of extraordinary beauty, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of geological forces over millennia. As we enter the mouth of the cave, a cool, damp air washes over us, carrying with it the faint scent of minerals and the echoes of dripping water. The sunlight fades behind us, replaced by the soft glow of our headlamps, illuminating the darkness ahead. And then it begins to unfold before our very eyes. A subterranean wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites, their intricate formations resembling frozen waterfalls, towering columns, and delicate crystal curtains. Each step reveals new wonders, each turn a breathtaking surprise. Look closely and you might spot the cave's inhabitants. Tiny bats clinging to the ceiling, their silhouettes barely visible against the darkness. And the occasional cave cricket, its pale body almost translucent in the dim light. As our journey through Morelos nears its end, we turn our attention to the remarkable creatures that call this land home. The guardians of its forests, mountains, and waterways. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, each plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem. Imagine the thrill of spotting a white-tailed deer, its graceful form moving effortlessly through the undergrowth, or the flash of iridescent blue as a motmot takes flight, its long tail feathers trailing behind it like a streamer. Look up and you might witness the majestic flight of a golden eagle, its wingspan stretching over 6 feet as it soars effortlessly on the thermals, its keen eyes scanning the landscape below. Or perhaps you'll be fortunate enough to spot a bobcat, its sleek muscular body perfectly camouflaged amongst the rocks as it stalks its prey. The forests and fields of Morelos teem with a hidden world of insects, amphibians and reptiles, each playing a vital role in the intricate web of life. The wildlife of Morelos is a precious heritage, a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. As we reach the end of our journey through Morelos, we take a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity of its landscapes, a testament to the power of nature to create a kaleidoscope of ecosystems within a relatively small geographical area. From the arid valleys to the cloud forests, each habitat supports a unique assemblage of life, each species perfectly adapted to its surroundings. Imagine the stark beauty of the semi-arid zones where prickly pear cacti and agave plants thrive under the scorching sun, their tough skins and shallow roots allowing them to survive in this harsh environment. Here lizards dart between rocks seeking the shade, and roadrunners race across the open ground, their long legs carrying them swiftly in pursuit of prey. As we ascend into the mountains, the landscape transforms dramatically. Pine and oak forests replace the scrubland, their branches heavy with epiphytes, their roots clinging tenaciously to the steep slopes. Higher still, we enter the realm of the cloud forests, where the air is perpetually moist, the trees draped in a tapestry of mosses, ferns, and orchids. These forests, often shrouded in mist, are home to a unique assemblage of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. The diversity of Morelos is a reminder that our planet is a tapestry of interconnected ecosystems, each one vital to the health of the whole. As our journey through the natural wonders of Morelos draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this remarkable region. From its towering volcanoes and lush forests to its hidden caves and sparkling lakes, Morelos is a testament to the beauty and biodiversity of our planet. Remember, the natural world is a precious gift, and it is our responsibility to protect it for generations to come. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.